In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a sidebar like a pro in Figma. Sidebars are the backbone of many apps and dashboards, guiding users to what matters most. The fastest way to get a polished result is to start with a solid foundation and then make it your own. And that is exactly what we'll do. First, open Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app. Once you are in, head to the Figma community. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Sidebar Navigation and hit Enter. This pulls up a range of pre-made professional layouts created by designers and teams. These files are great starting points because they've already solved the common layout and spacing challenges for you. Browse through the results and pick a template that matches your project's feel and color palette. Think about your brand's mood, whether it's minimal and clean, bold and vibrant, or something in between. Do a quick check of the details like the layout structure, icon style, and the sections included. You do not need perfection at this stage because you'll customize it in a moment. When you find a template you like, click Open in Figma. This will add a copy to your drafts so you can edit freely. Now it's time to tailor it to your needs. Double-click the text layers to rename sections like Home, Dashboard, or Settings. Swap out icons to match your feature set, either by replacing them with icons from the template's library or by pasting in your own. Update the colors to align with your brand. A quick way to do this is to select the main frame and adjust the selection colors so your palette updates consistently. If the sidebar feels too narrow or too wide, adjust the width by selecting the frame and dragging the edge or entering a precise width in the right-hand panel. Add elements your users will rely on, like links for tasks or calendars, and group related items so the hierarchy is clear. Keep an eye on contrast to ensure text remains easy to read against your background and maintain consistent spacing so the layout feels balanced. Feel free to experiment. Try different icon sizes, section dividers, or highlight states for active items until it feels unique to your app or project. Starting from a template saves time and delivers a professional, polished result without the pain of building from scratch. That's it. Thanks for watching.